Hey everybody, we gotta fix something again. I want toast, I don't want floppy bread. And what's happened here is, got this toaster here. I think it's a Black & Decker, but they're all gonna be the same roughly. And this whole area here just filled up with crumbs and stuff, and some bread. I think some crumbs and stuff got underneath these contacts, these little contacts here. This mechanism comes down, hits the contacts, and there's a magnet here that holds that, and then at a certain time it releases the magnet and it lets it up. But we noticed that there was some sparks coming out from here because I think some toast and bread and stuff had gotten in between. We just bent these up, and these little contacts under here and on the other side of this brass and on here, just grabbed a file, little file, filed it off, cleaned it off because it was all burnt and the contacts weren't nice, and she worked. Let's test her out. Alright, my assistant here is going to plug it in. Let's see what happens here. Plugged in. Okay, got the bread in here. Coming down. Look at that, she stays down. No problemo. We got Toasty getting toasty. There you have it, folks. Another fix it.